Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of my favorite topics, new skincare launches. I've been testing out a bunch of products over the last month and I am here to share my honest experience with each one. Some products were absolute game changers while others, well, let's just say they didn't make the cut. And stay tuned because I have this one product that literally changed my acne scar removal game and why you need it in your routine. WishCare's Super Bright C16 Vitamin C Serum is a powerhouse of ingredients with a combination of 10% vitamin C, 4% niacinamide, 1% kojic acid, 0.5% ferulic acid, licorice, or and butyl resorcinol. Basically, it's like a multitasker for your skin, targeting pigmentation, dullness, acne scars all at once. A serum with just vitamin C cannot help you with stubborn dark spots. You need a brightening serum that has a combination of ingredients to work on dark spots, uneven skin tone, and prevent the same. And that is what makes WishCare's Super Bright Serum different from other vitamin C serums available in the market. I've been using this serum for almost like 3 weeks and let me tell you, it's mind-blowing. I mean, the results are visible. My pigmentation has lightened, my skin has become brighter, and even those stubborn acne scars had faded significantly. It's lightweight, layers beautifully under makeup, and doesn't oxidize like some other vitamin C serums available in the market. Also, the unique combination of not just vitamin C but other tyrosinase inhibitors makes the serum truly one of a kind. If you're struggling with uneven skin tone or dark spots, this one is worth every penny. Next up is the Minimalist Retinal 0.2% serum. This delivers result. Retinol is a gentler alternative to retinol and I noticed smoother texture and fewer breakouts. It's perfect for beginners or anyone with sensitive skin, but always do a patch test and then use it. By the way, retinol and vitamin C makes a perfect combination, and I pair my WishCare vitamin C in the morning, and on the PM time I go with the Minimalist Retinol, and that is a solid combination for any kind of anti-aging routine out there. Now, not every product worked for me, unfortunately, starting with the Plum Oat and Ceramide face cream. This was such a disappointment. I had high hopes because it's packed with ceramides, but within days I started getting bumps and even fungal acne, which I hate. If you have oily or acne prone skin, you might want to skip this one. Then we have the Ordinary's lip balm. Honestly, this one was okay, but for the price, it didn't wow me. It's moisturizing but nothing extraordinary, and I have found better options at half the cost. I mean, this guy right here. Lastly, the Conscious Chemist 6 Peptide Complex. I was so excited about this one because peptides are amazing for anti-aging, but sadly, I didn't notice any kind of difference. Even for barrier repair or a little bit of redness, a plain old Vaseline or a plain old CeraVe can do a much better job than this one, but maybe I'll use it as an eye cream, but it's a bust for me. So after trying all of these new launches, if there's one product I recommend without any hesitation, it's the Vitamin C Serum from WishCare. It is truly a one-of-a-kind vitamin C all-rounder serum. It's affordable, effective, and packed with powerhouse ingredients. Whether you are new to vitamin C or a pro, this serum fits in your routine. Pass the Plum's face cream if you have oily to combo skin or fungal acne prone skin, because it's gonna make it worse. Beginner friendly, fast working retinol serum from Minimalist delivers results fast, and the Ordinary lip balm is rather ordinary and not so extraordinary for the price that it comes with. And lastly, the Conscious Chemist Peptide didn't do much but can work great as a eye cream or a moisturizer for extremely oily skin maybe. If you are interested to buy any of these products, I'll leave the links in the description box. That's all for today's video, folks. Let me know in the comments which product intrigued you the most, or if you have tried any of these and what's your opinion. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you enjoyed this review. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, keep glowing.